Hello there, this is an unboxing video of the external hard disk drive. This is the solution for those who have a laptop without a hard disk drive in their laptop. Nowadays manufacturers are doing laptops without hard disk drive because people stream music and films online. They also download software like video editing software online without a disk. Everything's online now. Picture of the device itself. Icon features, I don't know what's that, comes in black or white. Device name details as well as the compatibility, which I'll show you later on in the video, around the sides. And at the back. Feel free to pause and read for the details. So this is compatible on Windows XP, Windows Vista, Windows 8, Windows 10, Linux and Mac, but this is not compatible on the Google Chromebook. You just plug and play this. I think that's it for the box. Now let's start opening this up. Here comes the device. Put that aside. We ordered this from Amazon. Put that aside. This is the manual. Product description as well as instructions. Now here comes the device itself. It's in this plastic. This is the back, along with two cables, a USB type 3 and a USB type A, which is a small one. Now let's take it out of the box so you have a better look. It is black, this drive, which I can't open it up. I need to connect it to the PC. And here are the cables. Got, like I showed you before, the two cables, the USB type 3 and the USB type A. Now you have a better look at the back. Now I can't wait to test this on our laptop to see if it works, because we recently bought a new laptop that doesn't have a hard disk drive on it. We're going to test it out to see if it works or not. So you can, before I move on, you can also play the CDs, burn CDs, watch movies from DVDs, and also install software via this.